Hello everyone, welcome to English Fever channel. Today's advanced English word is determined. Determined means having a strong decision to do something and not letting difficulties stop you. In Tamil, determined means urudiyanavar or mana urudiyudan செயல்படுபவர். Now, repeat after me. Determined, determined, excellent. Let's look at some examples. She was determined to become a doctor. அவள் மருத்துவராக வேண்டும் என்று உறுதியாக இருந்தாள். He is determined to improve his communication skills. அவர் தனது தொடர்பு திறன்களை மேம்படுத்த உறுதியாக உள்ளார். Here's another example. A determined person never gives up easily. உறுதியான ஒருவர் எளிதில் கைவிட மாட்டார். Now, let's see a workplace example. His determined efforts helped the team achieve its targets on time. அவரின் உறுதியான முயற்சிகள் குழுவிற்கு இலக்குகளை காலத்திற்கு உள்ளாக அடைய உதவின. Now, let's practice the pronunciation. Determined, determine, determine. Remember, success comes to those who stay focused and determined. Every great achievement begins with a strong determination. Believe in yourself and keep moving forward. Use the word determined in your daily conversations and make your English sound more advanced. Follow, subscribe, and like English Fever channel for daily advanced English words. See you in the next lesson.